Hi, we are creating a fun science experiment that is Valentine themed. You will need a clear or white dish, milk, dish soap, red food coloring, a Valentine themed cookie cutter, and Q-tips. Now grab your dish and start pouring milk until the bottom is covered. Next, add a few drops of the red food coloring inside the cookie cutter. Dip your Q-tip in the dish soap and start dabbing the food coloring to see what it does. Lastly, use a dry Q-tip to swirl the colors and create a beautiful design. Now ask yourself these questions. What happened when the dish soap touched the food coloring? Did everything in the cookie cutter eventually mix together? What color did this experiment create?